Mall tomorrow. They'll be joining their sisters worldwide for the first synchronized Million Women March for Endometriosis. Endometriosis is a painful, debilitating disorder that affects nearly 200 million women and girls. Dr. Camran Nezhat is a pioneer and leading practitioner in the field of laparoscopic surgery. He is also the founder of the march. And Doctor, thank you very much for being here with us. So at noon tomorrow, between 7th and Constitution, you're asking women to come out and march for endometriosis to stop this disease. What are your goals?
Well, the goals are to raise, number one, awareness among the whole general public, especially young girls and women, about endometriosis. And when we raise awareness, we like to encourage all the disciplines of medicine to get together and we find a cure. And also, hopefully, we find a pre-screening test to screen young women much earlier, and we could diagnose the disease earlier. That is the main goal.
If anyone has heard of endometriosis, they know it affects the reproductive organs of a woman. But there's so many more consequences, especially if it's not detected early. What else happens with endometriosis?
Well, endometriosis, it is a silent disease that over so many women and young girls all over the world, they have it, that it has become part of the norm of life, and it is not. When you have a lot of pain, it is not normal because endometriosis could affect the reproductive organs. It could get to your lungs, it could get to your bowel, it could get to any other organs of the body, except perhaps the spleen.
And because of that, it's often misdiagnosed for 4 to 7 years before it's detected, and by then it does affect all of these other organs. We do have to move along. You want the women to come down to the mall.
Right.
What is going to happen?
Well, when they come to the mall, there are going to be some entertainment. Essentially, Sheryl Crow is going to be singing, and some other patients who are very nationally or internationally known, they are going to say their stories, and hopefully the whole goal is to raise awareness and have some fun, perhaps, with the cold weather.
And as we said, it's a worldwide effort, not just happening in Washington, D.C., but at the same time, it's going to be happening all over the world on every continent.
That is correct. Approximately in 60 countries, in less than 10 months, this movement has taken over, and women from all over the world are interested to do something about it, finally.
Dr. Camran Nezhat, thank you for being here with us again. The Million Women March for Endometriosis tomorrow on the National Mall between 7th and Constitution starting at noon. Monica?